Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I will show you this cordless 20-volt drill driver from the company KIMO. This drill driver has some really good features built in. For example, it uses a brushless motor, so it will operate a lot more efficient, delivering 50% more runtime than a regular conventional motor. It has a 24-position clutch, so you can dial in the appropriate amount of torque for the application you're using it for. Besides the usual drill driver function, this tool also has a hammer mode. And with that, you'll be able to drill into bricks, concrete, and masonry. So let me unbox this and I'll show you what the tool looks like. The tool comes in this very nice carrying case. Side handle. Charger. 220-volt, 2-amp hour, lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Here's a drill driver. User manual. These are the drill bits and the screwdriver bits that comes with it. Here's a look at everything you get with this tool. On the left, you see it comes with 6 twist drill bits. Next to it are 3 brad point drill bits. At the top are 3 nut drivers. You have a 6mm, 7mm, and an 8mm. This is a flexible drill shaft. So you can angle this. And here's a KIMO 20-volt cordless drill driver. The rated torque output is 660 inch-pounds. At the low speed is 0 to 500 RPM, and at the high speed is 0 to 2000 RPM. Holding this tool in my hand, it has a nice solid feel to it. Right here is a keyless chuck. Right behind it is a 24-position clutch. If you look right behind the clutch selection, there are 3 selection modes you can choose. The first one here is drill, next one is drive, and the third one is hammer. And then behind here you have the speed selection. There's number 2 and there's number 1. The overall construction uses both metal and a composite material. The handle has a nice rubber grip to it. Here's a forward and reverse switch. And there's a trigger. Right above that, you have the LED lights. To install the battery, slide it in. Now with the trigger, you do have variable speed control. So I pull on it a little bit. It's slow. Pull it more. And when I let go of the trigger, it does stop immediately. So you don't have to worry about overdriving your screw or bolts. Now this tool also comes with this side handle. To install it, you place this portion of the handle onto the top surface right here. This is all metal. So it's a nice solid surface. And with the handle installed, it'll give you more leverage when you're drilling. With this 20-volt, 2-amp hour battery, there's a battery meter here. Press a button here on the right, and it'll show you how much charge it has. If you need to charge it, place it into the charger. The charge time is 60 minutes. And once the battery is fully charged, it can operate the tool for about an hour. So let's first drill some holes. I'll set this to drill mode right here. Next, I'll drive some screws. I'll switch the mode to drive mode. Next, I'll drill some holes with a spade bit. I'll turn the mode back to a drill mode. As you can see, this drill driver works great in all these applications. So here I'll test out the hammer mode by drilling a hole into this brick right here. I'll switch the mode to hammer. Right here. I'll also install this side handle for extra leverage. As you can see, the hammer mode did an excellent job. Overall, I'm very impressed with the performance of this KIMO 20-volt cordless drill driver tool. Besides having a brushless motor, I like the fact that it has 3 modes for you to choose. You have the drill mode, drive mode, and the hammer mode. The hammer mode is definitely something I was interested in because that's not something you typically find on a drill driver tool. And as you saw, all 3 modes work really well. Don't forget, you also get 2 lithium-ion batteries, so you can continue working on your project without interruption. At the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $130. And I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.